Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today's video is very special to me because I love the seasonal cleaning challenge with Nikki. Today we are collaborating with Inspired by Nikki. It's just you get up in the morning and you clean up before the sun rises, and you just enjoy it. That's what I'm gonna do today. Before that, I would like you guys to go ahead and check out Inspired by Nikki. I will leave her link on the description box. She do have a special content, and she always is like full of laughter, and I love her so much. And recently she's doing a fixer-upper with her husband, and her house is coming together beautifully, and I want you guys to check her. I will leave her link on the description box. Well, before the sun rises, let's go ahead and clean up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. صغبركن حوات لو مخاني زيناي seasonal cleaning مالتي كل شيء نقبره 4 شهر عامتنا نقبر مس Inspired by Nikki إنا collaborate كوين نامو كتفتوا أوز فيديو تسفى قبر ناي نيكي channel أبز اللينك قبر الكنيمو تشك براي خد. Thank you حواتي.
Around you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. 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 You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to just call on me, baby. I'll be there. Just call on me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. I'll just call on me, baby. I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby. Swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to just call on me to just call on me to just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just let me know and I will be. Just call on me. shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. That was it for today. I will see you in the next one. I love you all so much. سخبركن حواتي غني لي عزمت جزء خلقكني.